Hello friends, I hope all are doing very well. So this is the view of the Red Fort Lal Killa, which is built by the Shah Jahan in the year of 1638, where at the time the capital of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, who shifted the capital from Agra to New Delhi in Old Delhi at the time. So this is the view of the Red Fort in New Old Delhi. So this monument of Red Fort Lal Killa, which is designed by the Ustaz Ahmad Lohri, who also designed the Taj Mahal of Agra. Agra Taj Mahal, which is designed by the Ustaz Ahmad Lohri, who also designed the Red Fort also. So this is the view of the Red Fort. I am going to explore and gain also knowledge and explain regarding the Red Fort in Delhi, which is located in Old Delhi. So thank you so much. And even this Red Fort, which is located just close to the Sisgan Gurdwara, which is also nearby Chani Chowk. So thank you so much and stay updated with me.
जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय. So the Red Fort, which is located in Old Delhi, famous for its architecture, its historical significance and its role as a national symbol of India. So the Red Fort in Delhi, called Lal Killa, was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, which was commissioned in 1639 of the new place fort for his new capital Shahjahanabad after relocated his capital from Agra to Delhi. So the Red Fort was designed by Mughal architecture Ustad Ahmad Lohri, who was also architecture of Taj Mahal in Agra. So the Red Fort reflects Mughal architecture innovations and the blends Persian, Timurid and Indian styles. So the Red Fort complex was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007, which is a significant cultural site in India. So the Red Fort was built using red sandstone forms, the massive enclosing wall and gates, and the white marble was used in palaces within the fort. So the Red Fort has total 4 gates like Lahori Gate, Yamuna Gate, Akbari Gate or Delhi Gate and Jahangiri Gate. So a terrorist attack took on the Red Fort in Delhi in December 2000, which carried by the Pakistani terrorist group Lashkar-e-Taiba. A total of 3 persons, Abdullah Thakur, a civilian sentry, and rifleman Uma Singh and Nayak Ashok Kumar, who lost their life and sacrifice during the result of attack at that time. So it was very sad moment at that time. And let's see, in this time our Indian national flag Tiranga, which is clearly visible from the here. So I am feeling so awesome here because this is my first experience in Delhi. Never I got a chance to visit the Red Fort. So I am also going to purchase the ticket before that. So the ticket price is 35 rupees for the Red Fort and the 56 rupees including the museum and monument of the Red Fort. So I am just close to the here. I entered in the Red Fort complex and I purchased a ticket and I paid 56 rupees for the museum and monument in Red Fort. So let's see the view and explore together with me. Thank you so much. So this is the view of the entrance gate where I entered and I am going to watch the Red Fort from this gateway. So this is the view of the Lahori Gate, which is so popular here, which is a entry gate in the Red Fort. So the Lahori Gate, which is famous as the main entrance to the Red Fort complex, and the gate recognized its name because Lahori Gate led towards the city of Lahore, means indicate, which is nowadays in Pakistan. So every year since 1947, the Prime Minister of India hosts the Indian national flag over the Lahori Gate of the iconic Red Fort in Delhi, and PM delivers a speech from the red ramparts at the Lahori Gate during Independence Day on 15 August, ceremony on 15 August every day. So I am just came and entered into the Red Fort complex. Let's see, this is the view of the Lahori Gate where I am crossing and passing right now. So I am feeling so awesome, and we can see that the Red Fort walls and gates totally built by the red sandstone with lal balua patthar. So this is the main reason that it look like a red. So this is the main Lahori Gate where the Prime Ministers of India since 1947 they are hosting the flag above the Lahori Gate and addressing and giving to the speech from here. Let's see the view our national Indian flag Tiranga. जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम, रहे तिरंगा सलामत हमारा. So I am also going to visit the another place also. So the red fort which appears on the back of 500 note of the Mahatma Gandhi new series of the Indian rupee. So let's see the view, and now I'm going towards the Chhatta Chowk. So Chhatta Chowk means covered bazaar, also known as the Meena Bazaar, is located in the Red Fort complex, which is in 17th century India was extremely unusual, and this is a unique example of the Mughal architecture featuring a long arched passage with a bazaar, and was once a premium hub for trading luxurious goods like silk, brocades, gold and jewelries. Historically, it served as the imperial household, and in 17th century the Chhatta Chowk Bazaar, which was also known as the Bazar-e-Musakkat, and the notion of a covered bazaar was stimulated by the one Shah Jahan Shah in Peshawar in 1646 when he was on visit, which is now located in Pakistan, Peshawar. So let's see the view of the Chhatta Chowk, Meena Bazaar, which is clearly visible from the here. Lots of stores are there. They are also selling budget. I mean, same many different variety of the things here in the Chhatta Chowk market, which is located just in front of the Red Fort in Delhi. So once again, thank you so much. Dhanyavad.